Feeding the dependent resident. Who doesn't love to eat? This skill is you feeding your resident for the test observer. In order to do this, we do the same thing we do when we eat. And what's that? We wash our hands before we eat. That is very important in this skill. We want to wash our hands as well as our residents' hands. Also, make sure that you sit down in a chair facing the resident. This is very important. If you do not do this, you will fail. Your measurements for what the resident has consumed must be within 25% for solid foods consumed and within 30 cc's for liquids consumed. Good morning, Ms. Robinson. I'm Katrina. I'm your CNA today. I came to feed you. How you feeling? Good. We're going to get started. I'm going to wash my hands first, okay? Okay. Washing my hands. Also, I want to go ahead and protect your clothing. Is it okay if I put a clothing protector on you? Okay. Okay, I want to wash your hands before you eat. So on this side I have soap and water. Let me wash your hands. On this side, no soap, so let me rinse your hands. And now we can dry them. Let me dry them. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now you are required to pull a chair up to feed your resident. You must be sitting facing your resident in order to feed them. So if there's no chair available, make sure that you pull one up or ask the test observer, where's the chair? Okay, let's see what you got here. Ms. Robinson, you have a soft diet. Okay. Looks like the tray is correct. We can start eating. Looks like you have some pudding here. Yummy. We'll open that up. You also have some lemonade and some juice. Okay, you ready to eat? Would you like something to drink? Lemonade? Okay, you must wipe the resident's face and hands. Let me see your hands so I can wipe your hands. At least once during the feeding. Would you like some more pudding?
Yes, please.
Would you like some lemonade?
Yes, please.
Drink a lot. Okay. Would you like some more pudding?
Yes, please.
Punch or lemonade?
Punch.
Thirsty, huh? Would you want some more to eat?
No, thank you.
You done with your pudding?
Yes.
Would you like some more to drink?
No, thank you.
Okay. So at this point, we have to record our resident's intake. Each of these glasses is going to be 8 ounces. They look to be different sizes, but they're both 8 ounces. So we have to estimate how much the resident drank. This first glass, we're going to say she drank half of it. 8 ounces is 240, so that's 120 milliliters if she drank half. The second glass is again 240 milliliters or 8 ounces. It looks as if she drank maybe 1/4 of this. So we're going to say she drank 60 milliliters. Solids are documented as percentages. It looks as if she has consumed about 50% of her pudding. I usually make a cup that helps you to memorize how much your resident has consumed in an 8-ounce glass. If they drank the whole thing, they drank 240 milliliters. If they drank 3/4, they drank 180 milliliters. If they drank 1/2, they drank 120 milliliters. And if they drank only 1/4 of this, it was 60 milliliters intake. However, if they don't drink anything, of course, it's 0. So you will be required to document, and it has to be accurate. Your intake for solids must be within 25% of the test observer's reading. Your intake for liquids must be within 30 milliliters of the test observer. So we're going to document for the first container, she drank 120. The second container, she drank 60. Add those together, the total is 180. We'll document 180 milliliters of liquid intake. For the pudding, she consumed 50%. We'll document 50% for the pudding intake. You'll then write your name and sign your name as the candidate. You can remove your resident's clothing protector and discard in the linen hamper. You're going to provide the call light to the resident and wash your hands. You're done.